We're building a house in Mexico. Here's everything that happened this week, including a major problem. On Monday, they started placing bricks for the house. We're using bloc térmico, which is an insulated brick that will help regulate the house's temperature without having to use extra internal insulation. They started off with the front of the house, getting quite a few rows done in a day's work. But they made a bit of a mistake with our front door.
He put brick where there's supposed to be a door.
Tuesday was a bit of a gloomy day, but work continued. They got a ton more rows of brick done. They also removed the brick where our door should be, so crisis averted. The corner of the front walls are now built to the height it needs to be for another dollar to be poured. We still have 3 entire pallets of brick left, so it'll be interesting to see just how much of the walls they can get done with what we have. On Wednesday, they got the front part of the wall built to the dollar height and also made a ton of progress on the long side of the house. They also placed more wood for the front corner castillo, as well as on the end of the perimeter wall where our meter and our electrical intake will be, as well as where the gate will close. Sounding like a broken record at this point, but Thursday was pretty much the same. A lot more brick being placed. On Friday, they restarted on the wall where the front door is going to be, correctly this time. You can also now see where the kitchen window is. They finished the long side of the wall, so now the castillos and dala can be poured to provide structure and support to the walls. On Saturday, we finished off our trip by planting a peach tree in the backyard. It'll provide us with some fruit as well as some shade to save us in the scorching summer months. We dug a hole, which was not an easy task due to how compacted and rocky the soil is. We then filled the hole in with some soil and placed a pipe so we can make sure water gets down to the roots. The pipe is also filled with rocks to slow down the flow of water. And that just about sums up all of the work we got done during week 5 of our house project. If you enjoyed the video, definitely give it a like and give us a follow if you want to stay up to date on all the progress we're making on our house build. We'll see you next time.